Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 25G, and today I'll show you how we can change your lock screen wallpaper. So first we have to go for the settings, then go for the home screen and the wallpapers. Right now tap on the wallpapers and we can choose static or live wallpapers, you can decide. I'm going for the static and I'm going to change it for this one. Right now when you tap on it once, you are able to choose your lock screen and then tap down on the right bottom corner to apply it. And take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.